Hey, can I get a small coffee to stay?
Wait, to stay? Like the coffee is staying here?
Ha, no, I'm staying here.
Then why didn't you just say that?
Because this is how people order coffee in English.
If you don't know what this means, this video is for you.
Welcome to Chat and Learn English.
Today we're at a neighborhood coffee shop, and we're teaching you how to order coffee in English without panicking.
You'll learn 3 super common phrases native speakers use every day.
And trust me, they're easier than they sound. Okay, I practiced this in my head like 10 times.
You got this.
Next.
Hi, can I get a coffee?
Sure. For here or to go?
Sorry.
For here or to go?
She means, are you drinking it here or taking it with you?
Oh, to go. Definitely to go.
Got it.
Why did my brain completely stop working?
Because for here or to go sounds fast when you hear it in real life.
For here or to go is one of the most common questions at coffee shops and restaurants in English-speaking countries. Native speakers usually say it very quickly.
Yeah, that sounded like one long word.
Exactly, but now you know what it means.
So if I want to leave with my drink, I say, to go?
Right.
And if I want to drink it inside?
Then you can say for here.
Okay, let me try again. Hi, coffee please.
For here or to go?
To go.
Perfect.
Look at me, surviving adulthood.
Barely.
Let's hear it one more time.
For here or to go?
To go. Okay, honestly, I think ordering coffee in English is harder than job interviews.
That's because there are too many questions.
Seriously, hot or iced? Milk, sugar, size, foam? I just want coffee.
Haha, welcome to America.
Actually, we can still change your order if you want a bigger size.
Wait, really?
Yeah, this is another useful phrase. Can you make it a medium?
Sure thing.
Make it a medium.
When you want to change the size of a drink, native speakers often say, make it means change it to.
So I can say, can I make it a large?
Exactly.
That sounds way more natural than I want to change the size.
Yup, shorter and more casual.
Wow, that sounded very fluent.
Careful. Next, you'll start correcting my English.
Honestly, tempting.
Listen again to how natural the phrase sounds in conversation.
Can you make it a medium?
Can you make it a large? I feel like this is exactly the kind of phrase nobody teaches in school.
Because textbooks usually teach perfect grammar.
But real life is messy.
And loud.
Exactly. Okay, I changed my mind.
About what?
I don't want to leave anymore. This place is cozy. And it's raining now.
So you want to stay?
Yeah, but now I forgot how to say it.
You can say for here or to stay.
Wait, to stay is normal?
Totally normal.
Your drinks are ready now.
Excuse me. Actually, can I have it to stay?
Sure. I'll put it in a mug instead.
She understood me.
Of course she did.
To stay means you're eating or drinking inside the coffee shop. It's similar to for here, but many people say to stay in casual conversation.
So these are both okay?
Yep, both sound natural.
Honestly, I always panic because I think my English has to be perfect.
Native speakers don't speak perfectly either.
Okay, that actually makes me feel better.
Communication is the goal, not perfection.
Wow, deep thoughts in a coffee shop.
That's what caffeine does.
Let's hear the phrase one more time.
Can I have it to stay?
Sure.
Nice and simple.
You know what? This actually went better than I expected.
See? No panic necessary.
Let's review the 3 phrases from today.
To go, please.
Can you make it a large?
I'll have it to stay.
These small phrases make a huge difference in real conversations.
And now you'll understand them the next time you hear them in a busy coffee shop.
Without the panic.
If this video helped you, subscribe to Chat and Learn English for more real-life English conversations.
And tell us in the comments, what real-life situation makes you nervous in English?
Ordering food, talking on the phone, small talk?
We might use your idea in our next video.
Next time, we're breaking down 10 English slang words you'll hear all the time in real conversations.
The kind people actually use, not the stuff from textbooks.
See you next time.